Welcome back to our DREAM3D-NX tutorial series. In this video, we demonstrate how to highlight grain boundaries on a fully segmented microstructure. This workflow uses a pre-built pipeline included with DREAM3D-NX, along with a few additional filters. The approach is to generate a surface mesh from the segmented microstructure, then extract the grain boundary outlines into a separate geometry for visualization. We'll begin by adding the APTR 12 analysis bookmark. Then we'll add the SurfaceNet's meshing filter to the end of the pipeline. We'll add the object at the top of our data structure as the input image geometry. Then we'll add in the feature IDs from the cell data object. Then we'll name the created triangle geometry output Surface Mesh. Now we're done with this filter. We'll now need a slice triangle geometry filter. Add this filter to the bottom of the pipeline. Keep the slice range set to full range and the slice spacing as 1. Name the created edge geometry to grain boundaries. Then set the triangle geometry path. Now, we're ready to run this pipeline and set up our visualization. First, we'll change the grain boundaries data view to wireframe. We'll need to use a solid color to see the grains, so let's enable solid color in the color properties and set the color to black so the grain boundaries will show black. Now in the data object, we'll add a 2D image slice view and change the color array to IPF001. Now we can see the grain boundaries highlighted in black. Thank you for watching this tutorial in DREAM3D-NX. If you would like to learn more or try DREAM3D-NX, please visit our website at dream3d.io. Please leave a like for future DREAM3D-NX tutorials and subscribe for notifications on new videos.